Hi everyone. This video is going to demonstrate how to use the Simplify Page feature in Read and Write for Google Chrome. This tool is part of the premium license, and for more information on that, please see the link on the page notes. The purpose of the Simplify Page feature is to remove all of the extras from the website so that the user is only left with the appropriate text on the screen. This feature is very helpful in removing those pop up ads and videos that can be distracting while trying to focus on the article you are trying to read. So let's take a look at this tool and some of the additional features on the Simplify Page toolbar. In this example, I am at the history.com website and I typed in a search on William Shakespeare. Right now, a lot of students in the spring semester are focusing on a work by William Shakespeare. So, some teachers may have students go to different websites for background information on the author or just for general background information on the particular play that they may be reading. So, one of the reasons I picked this website is because it is filled with a lot of ads. So, you see here at the top, I have my car ad. If I scroll down, I have a pop up ad here. I have another one here. I have a video that pops up here. And every time I'm scrolling, sometimes these videos stay, sometimes they move around, they'll switch. So, this can be extremely distracting for a student if all you want them to do is focus on the text that's available. This Simplify Page is very simple. All you have to do is come up to your extension toolbar and click on your Read and Write icon, and it will open up your toolbar. If you come to the plus, you can move your toolbar anywhere you want. I usually like to keep it here at the top. In order to get rid of the ads, you click on the Simplify Page icon, and what it will do is it will open up a new window, and it is just going to pull out the text that is part of the original article. Okay. You have a couple of additional options here at the Simplify Page toolbar. The first is Simplify. What this will do is you have your minus sign here. And when you click on that, what it will do is it will simplify the text for you. It's similar to the feature that is found in Snap and Read and Rewordify. Um, Personally, I'm a little hesitant to using the Simplify feature on its own because I feel that this is an instructional tool that you want to be able to make sure that the students are still getting the information that they need from the article, and you're asking the computer to do that. So, a lot of times, what I will say to teachers is use the Simplify feature first and see if it is still giving the information that the student will need in order to get the information that the teacher wants them to get out of it. Um, if it goes down, you can click minus a bunch of different times, and then you can come back in here and click plus. And when the plus sign is grayed out, it means you're back to the original article. Over here, you have black on white, which is a default. If you click on the drop down arrow, you can change it to white on black. You can change it to blue on yellow, and you can change it to yellow on blue. Some students do find a difference having these different background colors and different text colors. So, this is a feature that's available to them to try it out. If I click on my font here, you have your running toolbar, which will make the font smaller or larger. And you also have some font options. One of the font options that you do have is Open Dyslexic. Verndana, that's another. And your Open Dyslexic. So the students can just come in and they can move and change it to whatever font style that they would like, that they're most comfortable with. The next option is your spacing. The default is single space, but you can do 1.5 or you can use your double space in here. Students can also access their Read and Write for Google Chrome toolbar within the Simplify page. They just click on the puzzle piece and the toolbar will open up. Students can highlight text and use the text-to-speech tools to have the text read aloud to them.
Considered the greatest English-speaking writer in history and known as England's national poet.
Students can also use the screen mask tool if they prefer to have that to help them keep their place. And students can also use the highlighting tools that are built into Read and Write to take notes. And I'm just randomly selecting things here. And then they can use the collect highlight feature to collect those highlights. You can sort them by color or position. And it will collect the highlights into a new document. And it will reference back the original website that the student received that information from, which is very helpful when it comes to citations. When students are done, because the Simplify page opens in a separate window, they can just exit out and they can come back into their original website. So I hope that you found this information helpful. Thank you.